Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 61. Meokda. Meokda. The word meokda is a root verb which means to eat. The word meokda could be divided into two syllables. Meokda. Mok is formed from the combination of the sounds of mium, o, and giok, while da is formed from the combination of the sounds of dikat and a. Meokda. Let's use meokda in a sentence. 나는 김밥을 먹어요. This sentence means I eat kimbap. The first word of the sentence is nanon. Na is the subject and nun is a subject particle. In Korean, the subject are usually accompanied by a subject particle. This time, nun is the subject particle. The general rule is if the subject ending is a vowel, the subject particle to be used is nun. And if the subject ending is a consonant, the subject particle to be used is un. And for the case of na, which has a vowel ending, we will use nun. Now let's focus on kimbap을. Kimbap is a Korean food and ul is used as an object particle. Since kimbap is the object and its last letter is a consonant, we will be using ul as the object particle to form kimbap을. General rule for object particles is that if object ending is vowel, we will use rul, and if the object ending is a consonant, we will use ul. Now we already know how nanon and kimbap을 are formed. Now let's learn how mogoyo is formed. If you would remember, our word for today is meokda, and this is a root verb. How are we going to transform it into mogoyo? We will use the usual process. We will remove da from the root verb, leaving behind mok. And since the last vowel sound of the remaining verb mok or mug is not a or o, we will add oyo. Again, the rule for present tense verb is that if the last vowel sound of the verb stem is a or o, we will add ayo. But if the last vowel sound of the verb stem is not a or o, we will be adding oyo. And if we add oyo to mog, we'll be able to form mogoyo, which is the present tense verb of meokda. As a review, nanon means I, kimbap을 pertains to the Korean food or the rice roll, and mogoyo is the present tense verb of eating. And therefore, the meaning of the sentence 나는 김밥을 먹어요 is simply I eat kimbap. And with that, you've just learned meokda. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 51 to 60. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 61 is meokda, which means to eat. Word number 60 is 갑시다, which is the formal way of saying let's go. Word number 59 is 가자, which is an informal way of saying let's go. Word number 58 is 울다. This is a root verb which means to cry. Word number 57 is 하다. This is another root verb which means to do. Word number 56 is 가다. This is another root verb which means to go. Word or phrase number 55 is 모여요, which means what is it? And this is considered an interrogative phrase. Word number 54 is i름, and this is the Korean noun for name. Word number 53 is manada. This is another root verb which means to meet. Word number 52 is achim, and this is the Korean noun for morning. And the last for our review is word or phrase number 51, sugohaseo, which means keep up the good work. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.